This will be a freeze test between the OnePlus 6, so you can see right here, OnePlus versus the iPhone 10. So you can see right here, both phones in all of their glory. As you can see, this is my kitty. Her name is Zimba. So, go ahead and turn the screen on. Both phones. This will just be a very simple test. As you can see, both are on and operational. Let's see, let's do some scrolling here on the 10. Do the same thing here on the OP6, as you can see. All right, so this is my water. So I'm just gonna pour it in. There you go. I think that'll do it. Yeah, a little bit more. Here we go. And do the same thing on the OnePlus 6. Woo! There you go. Same amount, right? Looks about right. Very nice. Close the lid, if I can grab it. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, we are about, what's that, a minute into the test. There we go, both phones in the container, as you can see. So, open my ice box. Here we go. And very simply, put the devices in there. Do the same thing with this one. Here we go. All right, cool. So, what are we? Minute 50 into it? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let the phone sit there overnight. It's actually middle of the night right now. So I'm gonna go to sleep real quick. Wake up in a few hours, the sun will be up, and we'll see how the phones are doing at that time. All right, see you in a little bit. So I am back. So you can see 8 hours, 49 minutes later, almost 9 hours. It's the next day, the sun is out, etc. So let's go ahead and check these phones. Get it out of the icebox. Woo! Oh man, I don't know about this. All right, let's see. Let's just grab this. Okay, here we go. Woo! That's a loud noise. Frozen solid. All right, cool. Close the box to the sink. There we go. That's one. And let's see. This is the second one. Oh man, I don't even know which one is which. This one is the OnePlus 6. So you can see, hold on a second. You can see the logo right there. Whoa. This one is the iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone. And this is my warm water right here. So let's see, let's take this off. Okay, there you go. Put that to the side and let's see. Interesting. Okay, here we go. Nice. So you can see. All right. So what I'm gonna do is actually, there. So you can see the phones. See that? OnePlus 6, iPhone 10. This is my water that I've already heated up. And let's just see. Now, hold on a second. Let me hit it first with a little bit of this. There you go. And then let's just, oh, look at that. I didn't even, okay, it just kind of came off already. All right, very good. Okay, put that to the side, and same thing with this one. Cool. Wow. I don't know, man. Will they survive? Especially the OnePlus 6. That's really what this video is about. iPhone is IP67 resistant, right? OnePlus 6, not really. So let's just find out right now. Okay, let me wipe my hand dry and then let's see. Let's just do it like this. I'm gonna try to not pour it directly on the device. There we go. I think that might be it. So let's check it out. Can I take the phone off? Not quite. So I'm gonna do that again. Hope I have enough water in here. All right. There you go. Put that to the side for now. And then iPhone. Here you go. iPhone. Okay, let me get the ice out of here. Okay. Let's see what we're dealing with. Now I believe before I put it in the water, OnePlus 6, both phones were at 100% battery. So let's see. Oh, no response from the power button. Oh boy. Nope, nothing. I'm pressing the power button right now. Nothing's happening. The iPhone, power button. Ooh, there we go. You see that? Okay, screen's wet, but it's working. Let's go to the App Store. So you can see, scrolling through this. Okay, seems to be working. Let's see. Okay, I thought I saw some water, moisture under the screen, but no, that's just on top. Seems to be working cool. All right. Let's see, let's go to the Chrome browser. See right there, is that under the screen or? No, I think it's fine, it's over the screen. All right, so it seems to be working good. Okay, let's check out the speaker though. No thanks to this for now. And let's just okay, sounds a little bit tinny, but you know what? Let this phone dry out for like a day. Put it in rice or something. I think it'll be just fine. Here we go. That's the iPhone 10. But now, what I'm really concerned with is the OnePlus 6. Now again, this phone doesn't have any official waterproofing rating. It's not IP67 or 68 or anything like that. They're saying that it's splash resistant or something. So, I don't know, man. Power button's not working, but let me try to press it down and see what happens. Let's go. Oh! Oh! It's working. What? No way, dude. No freaking way. Are we gonna have a survivor here? Will the OnePlus 6 survive this? If it does, I'm gonna give OnePlus props. For a phone that's not officially waterproof or water resistant, look at this. Just boot it up. Let's see, go to the app drawer. Here we go. Look at that. Going all over the place. Nice. Going through the screens. App drawer again. Let's see, where can I go? Go to settings, just kind of scrolling. Yeah, it looks good. Wow. So let's go to, I'm getting notifications. You hear, the phone just made a sound. Speaker seems to be working. Let's test that out actually. Where's my, play a video real quick. Let's go to YouTube right now. Okay, no thanks. No thanks, and let's play. Wow. So as you can see, that was pretty loud.
Magic! This is history in the making. Sweet dreams, nighty.
So as you can see, that was pretty loud. I think that was working better than the iPhone 10 speaker. Wow, I gotta give props to OnePlus. This phone might actually be waterproof. Wow. All right, one more thing. Test out the camera real quick, just to see. Here's the camera. Take a picture of the 10. There you go. Take a picture. And here it is. So I'm gonna put that at the end of the video so you guys can check it out. And let's do a quick video. Here it is. I'm gonna record right now. This is a video test of the OnePlus 6 after it has been frozen for almost 9 hours. So let me know in the comments of the quality of the audio late. There, I'm gonna put that at the end of the video. Let me know in the comments how the audio quality is. And for fairness, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the iPhone 10. Turn this phone on. So I'm gonna do it like this. Don't know what's going on. Here we go. Okay, a little bit of a delay on the camera. So don't know what that was about, but let's see. Let's take a picture right now. And you see the live is also working. So there you go, put that at the end of the video. And let's take a quick video right now. This is a video test of the iPhone 10 after it has been frozen with the OnePlus 6 for about 9 hours. Let me know of the audio quality and also the picture quality too for both phones. Alright, late. Put that at the end of the video. There you go. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this kind of test. You know, is it likely that you're going to put your phone in a freezer? You never know, maybe by accident or something, or maybe you live in a cold climate and, you know, it's snowing out or whatever. You leave your phone out in the elements. So this is what you'd expect out of these two. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Okay, so it's later on in the day. I was editing this video, and when I tried to get the video out of the OnePlus onto the computer so I can put the video together, I noticed that the phone didn't want to turn on. Press the power button, as you can see, no response. So I plugged it into the dash charger, as you can see, OnePlus dash charging, and I'm getting no response. So eventually, I guess the freeze won. This phone is dead. Now, 4 days from now, 7 days from now, 10 days from now, this phone might turn back on. So if you want, I can update you guys if it does turn on. But if not, then I have this OnePlus 6 paperweight. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone now. I can do a drop test on it, kind of test out the materials on the outside of the device, see how it can survive a drop or something. So yeah, just a update later on in the day. Unfortunately, the OnePlus 6 ultimately died. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.